Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete a shortcut on your Snapchat. So the process is going to be very simple. All you need to do is just follow all the steps properly. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat. Now from here, if I go and click a picture and hit next, now you can see below the search bar I have two shortcuts right here in the left corner. So if I click on this plus icon right here, you can see from here I can create a new shortcut by pressing on this new shortcut button. So let's add someone. Okay, so we are green. I'm gonna choose an emoji, and if I click create shortcut, you can see now I have a third shortcut right here. So if you want to delete this shortcut, all you need to do is just open up the shortcut. Now in the top right corner, you can see we have these three horizontal dots. Once you tap on that, here you will find delete shortcut button. So you're gonna click on that and your shortcut will be deleted. So guys, this is basically how you can delete a shortcut on your Snapchat. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.